I've always found libraries to be not just simply a place where you go to study, but a place where you go to learn, a place where you go to work with other people. And that collaboration is really, really important. And some people might see libraries as a warehouse of materials, but they really have gone far beyond that now. And they really are a place where people meet and exchange ideas.
The QEP is a great opportunity for our students to be able to understand how subject areas that they're studying connect to each other, and to be able to see how the wider world of scholarship works and how scholars can work together to create new information, to create innovations, and that what they learn in one class doesn't stop there. One of the things that I love about our students is that they are curious.
So as far as strengths, I think students are really good at developing and implementing search strategies, especially if they work with us one-on-one or in groups. However, when it comes to vetting sources of information and the information itself, sussing out what's false and misleading from objective facts, which is really trustworthiness, that's something that needs a lot of work. Embedded librarianship. It's a method or a pedagogy to cultivate information literacy. And embedded librarians, we directly integrate into courses, whether they're face-to-face or online.
We are a resource for students to come to if they have questions as they're working on research assignments, but more than that, we have the opportunity to build information literacy assignments in the class that tie in with the curriculum that you're already teaching in the classroom to help reinforce a lot of those skills that we want our students to learn, but also creating relationships with students and librarians and faculty and with librarians in order to build a more holistic view of curriculum. Librarians were the experts in information. We, as I say, speak the language of the databases. We know what resources we have. Our faculty members are adept researchers, but might not know everything that we have to offer, might not know the ins and outs, the tricks to make things a little bit easier, and how to explain those things to students on a level that they can use on their day-to-day.
The thing that kind of makes the FSW libraries unique is that we've partnered with faculty here at the college, and we're professional librarians as well. So everything that we have in our collection, whether it's a print book, whether it's a database subscription, we've selected that hand in hand with the faculty here at the college. We've looked at their assignments, which are the same assignments that students are getting in classrooms, and we've built our collection of materials specifically for the students and faculty of Florida Southwestern State College.
We're the key stakeholders in all of this. We are experts in our field.
This is our daily life. We read articles all the time that, tell us where students go to find information, tell us the first place they go to look, so we can address with them why that might not be a good idea. We know that students often ask peers for information first, and we want to start to talk to them about credible resources.
We know what students need. So in a way, we know the secrets, but we know what they need. We have so many students who come to us or have come to us their last semester and they say, I wish I had known this. I didn't know that you can help this way. I had no idea about all these resources and how to approach doing research.
So we're really great at being able to direct students easily and efficiently to the right types of sources for what they need.
From my time being here at FSW, I've always appreciated and valued that we have a world-class set of faculty librarians, a wonderful library staff, and now a great director who have all engaged in forward thinking in terms of what a library is and where we're going. And they have been particularly agile and responsive not only to the global pandemic, but to seeing where all of the initiatives like the Creative Capstone course are taking us, and have been working in advance of its implementation to say, this is what we think will work well based on our knowledge and experience, and this is what we need to really support this project. And so I really appreciate that ability of our librarians and the whole library staff to really pivot for the needs that we're finding are relevant to students and relevant to where we're going as an institution.